Hej sailors, welcome on board. In this video I will talk about my 12 volt off-grid system on Sirocco. We can start with the engine. So the system is built up with 2 batteries and 2 alternators. So this is the alternator for the start battery for the engine, and that's the alternator for the 12 volt system for consumption, like the fridge and navigation and so on. So this is where I store my batteries. The yellow one, that's the starter battery. The black one, that's the consumption. There's 2 of them. While I'm running the engine, I can switch off here the alternator for the consumption batteries. Only to charge the start battery. For charging the battery without the engine, I have some solar panels. They are mounted here on the plus on this one, and then on minus on the second battery. There's a that's the controller box. That's a Victron controller box for the solar panels. It's a MPPT. There's not so much light here. There's an MPPT, and it can take 100 volts and 15 amps. And my solar panel setup is 2 panels. It's one from Biltema, that's 50 watt. And then a little more expensive one, that was €200, flexible, which I can mount anywhere on the boat. So far it has only been mounted here on the sprayhood. And they are connected parallel with these plugs, and they are easy to take off on and off. I had this installation for 3 weeks so far, and the first 2 weeks I had the fridge running every day, navigation, autopilot and light and whatever I used, and it was sufficient to keep the 12 volt system running. But after 2 weeks the voltage was so low, so I had to start the engine and run it for an hour to charge the battery up again, and now they are running on the solar panel alone. This Victron has a Bluetooth connection, and it stores all the data. So at the moment it's charging with 27 watts, and I can see the battery is 13.7 volts at the moment, and it's fully charged. And in the history you can see what happened every day. For example, yesterday we were using the fridge and we were charging 270 watts hour. It was a half cloudy day, and in total in 3 weeks I made 5 kilowatt hour. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you soon.